Your power is beyond compare. You're really giving us a scare. Your one vote can change the way we live. Your vote is the deciding thing that could save our democracy. You could be a hero here, Romney, if you do the right thing. I think about it in my sleep. I feel our rights and liberties will be dying if you vote her in, Romney. Now I can easily understand you want to give your party a helping hand, but it's not the right thing to do, Romney. The notorious RBG gave women rights of equality. Her dying wish, do not replace me before the presidential race. Our democracy's at stake. The citizens this choice should make. Do the right thing and you could be a hero that goes down in history, Romney. Romney, 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 Romney. Oh, I'm begging of you, please be a strong man, and a fair one too. Romney, 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 Romney. Don't replace her just because you can.